If you stand at this exact spot at the intersection of Broadway and 7th Avenue between 45th and 46th Street, you'll come across a humming sound emanating from the grates below. Just listen. This is the Times Square Hum, a hidden art installation in Times Square. Back in 1977, Max Neuhaus, a contemporary sound artist, installed an electronic sound generator and a loudspeaker underneath the grates at Times Square, with the approval of the MTA and Con Ed. It was disconnected in 1992 due to power issues, but in 2002, it was revived by gallery owner Christine Bergen, and it's been playing ever since. Per Neuhaus's request, there is no signage to denote the art piece. He stated that while the humming sound is intended to be dismissed, the whole idea is that people discover it for themselves. They can't explain it. They take possession of it as their own discovery. It plays 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's currently managed by the Dia Art Foundation. So that's kind of interesting.